Mastering Legacy Middleware Modernization. Middleware modernization is the only way to survive in a rapidly changing business landscape. How do the organization's strategic objectives and operational requirements drive the imperative for middleware modernization, and what are the key business drivers behind the need for this transformation? The thrill of tackling a complex challenge like legacy middleware modernization. I've had the privilege of working with numerous organizations grappling with this very issue, and I'm excited to share a case study that illustrates the imperative for operational excellence in middleware modernization. Meet XYZ Corporation, a leading financial services company that had grown through a series of acquisitions. Over time, their middleware landscape had become a tangled web of disparate systems, each with its own unique architecture, integration points, and operational requirements. As a result, their IT infrastructure was plagued by inefficiencies, errors, and escalating maintenance costs. As I delved deeper into the organization, I discovered that their strategic objectives were centered around improving customer experience, reducing operational risk, and increasing agility to respond to market changes. However, their legacy middleware was hindering their ability to achieve these goals. For instance, their customer onboarding process was manual, time-consuming, and prone to errors, leading to a poor customer experience and lost revenue opportunities. Furthermore, the lack of standardization and integration across their middleware systems made it difficult to identify and mitigate operational risks. The company's inability to quickly respond to market changes meant they were losing ground to more agile competitors. It became clear that middleware modernization was not just a technical imperative, but a business necessity. The organization needed to transform its middleware landscape to support its strategic objectives and operational requirements. So, what were the key business drivers behind this transformation? Firstly, the need to improve customer experience and reduce operational risk was paramount. Secondly, the organization wanted to increase agility and reduce time to market for new products and services. Finally, they sought to reduce the total cost of ownership, TCO, of their middleware infrastructure and redirect those resources towards more strategic initiatives. With these drivers in mind, we developed a comprehensive roadmap for middleware modernization. The first step was to conduct a thorough assessment of their existing middleware landscape, identifying areas of complexity, inefficiency, and risk. This involved working closely with business stakeholders to understand their functional and non-functional requirements, as well as their pain points and aspirations. Next, we designed a target architecture that would support the organization's strategic objectives and operational requirements. This involved selecting a suitable middleware platform, defining integration patterns, and establishing a robust governance model. The implementation phase was where the rubber really hit the road. We established a dedicated team to manage the modernization effort, comprising both technical and business stakeholders. This team was responsible for developing a detailed project plan, identifying and mitigating risks, and ensuring that the new middleware platform was properly tested and validated. Throughout the process, I witnessed firsthand the importance of effective communication and change management. It was essential to engage with stakeholders, educate them on the benefits of middleware modernization, and address their concerns and fears. This helped build trust and buy-in, which was critical to the success of the project. As the project progressed, I saw the organization's mindset shift from a focus on short-term fixes to a commitment to long-term operational excellence. They began to appreciate the value of investing in their middleware infrastructure, not just as a means to reduce costs, but as a way to drive business growth and innovation. In the end, XYZ Corporation's middleware modernization effort resulted in significant benefits, including improved customer experience, reduced operational risk, and increased agility to respond to market changes. Their total cost of ownership, TCO, decreased by over 30%, and they were able to redirect those resources towards more strategic initiatives, such as digital transformation and innovation. As I look back on this experience, I am reminded that middleware modernization is not just a technical challenge, but a business imperative that requires a deep understanding of an organization's strategic objectives, operational requirements, and cultural nuances. By taking a holistic approach to this transformation, organizations can unlock operational excellence and position themselves for long-term success. An organization's strategic objectives and operational requirements are the primary catalysts for middleware modernization, as they dictate the need for a flexible, agile, and efficient integration infrastructure. The imperative for modernization arises from the need to address the constraints and limitations of legacy middleware, which can hinder an organization's ability to achieve its strategic objectives and respond to changing market conditions. At the operational level, legacy middleware can manifest in several ways, including 1. Technical debt. Legacy middleware components, such as Enterprise Service Bus, ESB, message queues, and APIs, may be based on outdated technologies, making it challenging to maintain, upgrade, or integrate with modern systems. This technical debt can lead to increased support costs, reduced agility, and a higher risk of errors or downtime. 2. Inefficiencies and inconsistencies. Legacy middleware may introduce inefficiencies and inconsistencies in business processes, such as manual workflows, duplicate data entry, and disparate data formats. These inefficiencies can result in decreased productivity, reduced customer satisfaction, and increased operational costs. 3. Lack of real-time insights. Legacy middleware may not provide real-time insights into business operations, making it difficult to respond quickly to changing market conditions or customer needs. This lack of visibility can result in missed opportunities, delayed decision-making, and reduced competitiveness. 4. Integration challenges. Legacy middleware can create integration challenges with modern systems, such as cloud-based applications, mobile devices, and IoT devices. This can limit an organization's ability to leverage modern technologies, resulting in reduced innovation, decreased agility, and increased costs. 5. Security and compliance risks. Legacy middleware may not provide adequate security and compliance features, exposing the organization to data breaches, cyber attacks, and regulatory non-compliance. This can result in financial losses, reputational damage, and legal liabilities. The key business drivers behind the need for middleware modernization include 1. Digital transformation. Organizations need to modernize their middleware to support digital transformation initiatives, such as omnichannel customer engagement, mobile applications, and IoT-based services. 2. Cloud adoption. The adoption of cloud-based applications and services requires modern middleware that can integrate seamlessly with cloud-native technologies and provide a hybrid integration architecture. 3. Changing customer expectations. Organizations need to modernize their middleware to respond to changing customer expectations, such as real-time interactions, personalized experiences, and seamless interactions across multiple channels. 4. Increasing regulatory requirements. The need to comply with evolving regulatory requirements, such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS, requires modern middleware that can provide robust security and compliance features. 5. Cost reduction and optimization. Organizations need to modernize their middleware to reduce operational costs, optimize resources, and improve efficiency, thereby enhancing overall competitiveness. To address these challenges and drivers, organizations can pursue various modernization strategies, including 1. Replatforming. Replatforming involves migrating legacy middleware to modern, cloud-based integration platforms, such as iPosh, Integration Platform as a Service, or cloud-based ESBs. 2. Re-architecting. Re-architecting involves redesigning the integration architecture to accommodate modern technologies, such as microservices, APIs, and event-driven architectures. 3. Hybrid integration. Hybrid integration involves combining legacy middleware with modern integration technologies to create a hybrid integration architecture that supports both traditional and modern systems. 4. API-Centric integration. API-centric integration involves modernizing middleware to focus on APIs as the primary integration mechanism, enabling organizations to expose their core capabilities as APIs and create new revenue streams. 5. Containerization. Containerization involves modernizing middleware using containerization technologies, such as Docker, to improve deployment, scaling, and management of integration components. By pursuing these modernization strategies, organizations can create a modern, agile, and efficient integration infrastructure that supports their strategic objectives, operational requirements, and business drivers. This in turn can enable organizations to improve customer experiences, increase competitiveness, and drive innovation, ultimately leading to operational excellence.